Nakatry na ba mo nga kinabitaw manugtulog na mo no gabi eh? Sige na lang mo og kinang lantaw sa kisame sa inyohang balay. And no matter how tried you are na matulog, you just can't sleep because your thought keep bothering you. So na mga butang na inugtulog na to, kay daghan kita ginapaminsar nga makahatag na to nga dili ta makatulog, no? You know what? Naka-try po na you keep replaying every mistakes, every what if, and every worry about tomorrow. And the harder you try to stop, the louder it gets inside your head. No, nga kinabitawng ginapaningkamutan nimo nga dili unta ka maminsar anang mga butang nga, pero nisamot pa noon nga mag-worry na ka. But here's what I've learned. When my mind is restless, that's the perfect time to surrender everything to God because He can handle the battles that steal our peace. So if you've ever felt this way, remember that you're not alone and you don't have to carry it all by yourselves. Always remember that you need to offer it to Jesus. God bless.